everyone, my name is Chellina Achol. This is a tutorial on how to do your own 13x6 sew-in, frontal sew-in. I normally don't wear wigs. I will do from time to time at a convenience, but for the most part, I like having like it sewn down, wig secured, everything. How to do a frontal sew-in on your own, or even for a client if you want tips on how to be able to sew your hair down, make your lace last as long as possible. Just being able to have a sew-in so it's more secure for whatever frisky lifestyle. If you want to tussle a little bit, you know, you're good. You know, you'll be good. So this is just going to be a tutorial on how to get this hair. I'll leave the links and details about this hair down below. If you want to go check it out. I'm okay with how the hair turned out, but it's a little stringy at in the bundles. It was a little stringy towards the end, where it was like thicker at the tops. So if you're interested and you also like wearing sew-ins and you're not quite with that Baruka gang,
that's that most city that's lying that you can't go around at night. You like to give me eye, you know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, you say the flake and make it fire. Let me come inside you, let me pet that sleep inside. As the tits, only thing that's still with me. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Try to catch you real deep.
okay, so this is the first bundle. I went back and forth 3 times. See, that's how it lays. I'm gonna sew the next 2 like this, and then above one last one this way. And I'll check back in with you guys when I'm done. I put in all 3 bundles, crisscross, back and forth, and now I'm gonna lay one last track from ear to ear. Okay, so I finished sewing down the tracks. I'm slow, so if you're faster than me, go for it. But like, I was just like, I had to take a break. So finished sewing down the tracks last night, and then it's a good thing because you're supposed to like let your lace melt in overnight, but you can let it melt after it's styled. I'm just doing it the next day because I just fell asleep. For this one, I'm just going to be cutting it into like little sections, like right down the middle. And then another one over here. And the last one over here. It's better to put the less glue and then come do like the touch-ups around the edge, as opposed to like going over your like expected hairline and having to wash it away later on, because that one's messy. Like now you can see there's no glue like on here on my face. So I'm gonna just lift up a little bit.
We do whatever we want, or whatever we want, love whatever we want, it don't matter. We do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about I'm gonna be that.
Foundation across my hairline, and I'm also gonna like rub it into the lace a little bit. Ideally, I wanted the lace to be like dark enough where you can't you didn't need to put foundation on it, because I just don't like having to like wear foundation. A lot of times I wear my wig, it's not, I'm wearing it without makeup, especially because this is a sewing.
That's that most city that's high, that you can't go around at night. You like to give me eye, you know I'm Messiah. You like when I'm
a tinge, you know, just like a little subtle baby. I'm gonna pull out my sideburns, but instead of having like swoop sideburns, I kind of almost just want just like short hair. I'm only doing this because the hair is like curly, so I kind of want just like short little curls on the edges, if that makes sense, instead of swoops. I like really thin natural baby hairs. You can do your baby hairs whatever preference you like, but for me, like the natural just look is always ideal. Take the carrot wax stick and press it back, and then also press the baby hair forward a little. That's a bit much, just a little bit. Baby hair forward.
More than put them on play. you hitting me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you cool better than you do. Got me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, we do whatever we want. Oh, whatever we want. Love whatever we want. It don't matter. We do whatever I want. Give whatever I want. Give whatever I need. It's about that's that most city that's lying that you can't go around at night. You like to give me eye, you know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, say the flake and make it fire. Let me come inside you, let me pet this thing inside you. That's the tits, only thing that's still with me. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch you real weak. I'm gonna be that. No. I'm gonna be that. I came in your city looking for love and licking, cause you promised to put it down. I'll be your city looking for you. I didn't think you would be fun, dropping it right now. I didn't think you would be by your side. I didn't think you would be by your side now. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, we do whatever we want. Oh, whatever we want. Love whatever we want. It don't matter. We do whatever I want. Give whatever I want. Give whatever I need. It's about no. I'm gonna be that. Why you bother me? I'm a check, you were the one that left me. That's that most city that's high that you can't go around at night. You lately give me high.
This is the finished product. I think, yeah, if I just sit here, I'm just gonna keep playing with my hair. I hope you guys like it. Megan Milani, she was an inspiration, and Purple Alpaca, she had an old picture on Tumblr with hair like this that I really liked. So like dark-skinned women with big curly hair. That's the goal, that's the goal. So I hope you guys liked it. I'll leave the details for this hair down below. I hope this was helpful if you're ever like ambitious enough to do your own hair, or him online. Come to my city and I'll hook you up. Hope you guys enjoy the holiday season. But yeah, important things to remember. When you're taking a shower, put on a elastic band first. I use a grocery bag instead of a shower cap because you can put it on super tight, and try not to just like, maybe just wash your face in the sink and not put water close to your head. Especially the first night. The first night after you get your hair done, don't even touch water. Don't sweat, don't do anything. Just go home and chillax. Just do absolutely nothing, just because that's where that melt comes in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And if you're new here, please subscribe, join the fam. My name is Chellina Achol. Bye guys.